Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a beautiful math expression that is 5 divided 5 divided 5 divided 5. This looks simple, right? But still, many people fail to solve this because 5 divided 5 as 1 and 5 divided 5 as 1 and 1 divided 1 as 1, which is the wrong answer. They solve it like this and reached at wrong answer because when you have given same operation repeating, then you have to always solve it from left to right. How? So let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the equation 5 divided 5 divided 5 divided 5. So this expression will are going to solve from left to right. So first 5 divided by 5, then rewrite the left out terms. Now 5 divided by 5 is 1 and 1 divided by 5 divided by 5. Then again we can write it as 1 by 5 divided by 5. So now many people cancel out this 5 with 5 and their answer is 1, which is wrong because there are two different things, that is 1 by 5 multiplied by 5. In this case you can cancel out and the answer is 1. But when it's 1 by 5 divided by 5, then you have to follow KCF rule. Here K stands for keep, C stands for change and F stands for flip. So let's apply this rule. That means keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication and flip the right hand. Right hand is actually 5 by 1 and when we flip it, it's 1 by 5. So it's become 1 by 25. So what is the correct answer? 1 by 25, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.